Well, hello everyone, it's me, Eric Kimball, out here in the mini bed experimental garden with another how-to video. I am going to show you today how to use this 5x7 planting stick, that's what I call it, the 5x7 planting stick, to plant certain crops in the mini beds. If you watched my previous video, you saw the 13 spot planting template that I used to plant peas. This 5x7 planting stick is what I use to plant rows of certain crops. In particular, here today I'm going to show you how I use this stick to plant spinach. Okay, here is the 5x7 planting stick. It's long enough to fit inside the mini bed, not too tight, not too loose, but a little loose. And the mini beds are square, so it fits both ways. Now, this has 5 lines here for rows, and it's just divided equally into 6 sections and 5 lines. So we'll put the rows going this way, and what I do is I put the 5x7 marker with a 5 up, and I put a little stick there. These are weed stalks that I went over and pulled out of the field next door. And so I'm just going to put one of these right on each of those lines, like so. And then I'll come over here and do the same thing. Pretty simple. Okay, now with that done, I turn the planting, the 5x7 stick over, and I set it right here along a row. And I have 7 spaces, equally spaced. And what I'm going to do is take my thumb and make a little indent at each space. A little planting divot for the spinach seeds. Okay, I won't show me doing the whole bed here, but I'll do one more row before I go on to the next step. See, right up here next to the sticks, planting divot. This is the thumb dibble. Make a little pocket for the seeds. It's fun. Okay, now I'll do the rest of the bed here. No, I guess I won't. I'll just show you these 2 rows. I'll work with these 2 rows. And what I'm going to plant here is spinach, Bloomsdale long standing, and I'm going to use my pocket seeder, my Whiz Bang pocket seeder. This is an old one I've used for a few years. These are available from planetwhizbang.com. Now I'm going to shake all the seeds right in there. Those are nice fat, nice looking seeds. I'll set the packet right there. And what I do with spinach is I plant 2 in each pocket. That's easily done here with this pocket seeder. Called the pocket seeder because it'll fit right in your pocket. And 2 seeds in each one. Okay, I might as well keep going here and do the 2 rows before I go to the next step. And yeah, see how easy that pocket seeder works? Whoops, they jumped right out of there. They're very anxious to get planted. So when I'm done, which I am for a moment, I can slide those right back into the packet, set this aside. So I would do that on all these rows, and then we're going to cover about a ½ inch of soil is good, they say, for spinach, and I'm going to tap it down. You want to tap your soil around your seeds. Don't worry, the seeds are designed to come up through compacted soil. You don't have to feel like you're pushing or making it too hard for them. They will do just fine with that soil packed down tight like so. All right, now once this whole bed is planted with the 5x7 planting stick, I will take and break these off level with the top of the frame like you see here, and that will allow me then to take this, which is the cat excluder. If you have cats that think mini beds are litter boxes, then you can put your cat excluder down there, like so. That's all there is to it. This 5x7 planting stick will work for beets and carrots and things like that too. So you've got the idea. This, by the way, this 5x7 planting stick is not in my mini bed gardening trilogy, which gives all the details on mini bed gardening. It will be in the book in a year or so when I get to the book. That idea is worth putting in the book. It makes things very easy, very quick, very manageable. That's the beauty of mini beds. That's all for now, folks.